are you? And why you're here? And why you dress weird?
First, I'm just a student, and where even in the world is this? Yo, what are you doing? Get off me!
Who are you?
My name is Febi Sandi.
What class are you from?
9G.
9G. I never heard the class named that.
It's my class name in Earth, and the IFT spring is over. Can I go now because I have to do a project?
What project?
Science project.
Science. I never heard that word before.
Please, it's real or not? Can you just send me home?
I'm curious about science.
I will send you my project, okay?
Okay.
Please, just send me to Earth, can you? There's no way in Earth they believe me I'm traveled to another world.
Send me a science project.
Okay. Oh, great. Why are you late? Really sorry, I failed to drive it. Oh my god, are you okay? If you're not okay, you can go home. It's okay. It's okay, I'm not hurt. Suddenly in your front eyes, you see a big pop-up screen. So right now, I'm putting on my gloves. You can see right here we have hydrogen peroxide and also calcium iodide and soap, measuring cup. Also we have glass. We make it in glass. So remember, don't use your mother Tupperware. And to mix the ingredient, we use spoon. So right now I'm opening up the hydrogen peroxide. About 50 ml of hydrogen peroxide. We pour it to the measuring cup. After that, put soap. The soap is necessarily. After that, stir it. After that, we gonna mix our calcium iodide with spirit glass. And after we put calcium iodide into the glass, we put the mixture of hydrogen peroxide and soap into the glass, the spirit glass. And after that, we put water, 10 ml of water, to the glass that has calcium iodide in it. And the calcium iodide measurement is necessarily. And after that, we're gonna stir the water and the calcium iodide. You can see it's a bit yellow because as you can see here, the foam already reacting. Don't touch the foam with your bare hands because it can burn your hands because the foam is hot. Okay, so be careful. As you can see here, I'm touching the foam. It feels warm and I think I'm gonna die. Okay, I just So we look to quest, and the quest said that we have to make some edible water bottle, so we're gonna make it with sodium lactate solution and sodium alginate solution. As you can see, I'm pouring sodium alginate solution with spoon so that it will form like a round shape. Pour it to calcium lactate solution. After you pour it, wait a little bit, and you can see I bring the edible water bottle. As you can see here, King, I'm gonna make a levitating fire. I mean, in your world you use magic, in my world I use science. Okay, so I have this ink pen. So you can use your ink pen and then you cut it so you can blow it out the ink pen. And after that, did you see this little tip hole? And after that, you blow the ink pen to the tip hole. First, you have to press this button right here first, and then you will hear a pop, and then you can light it up. Okay, try it until the magic happens. It will take a time, but look at this. Okay, King, you can see that the fire is levitating. You can see it. So that's my story. Maybe you don't believe it, but it's okay. Thank you for watching my video. I'm Febi from 9G. Peace out.